Welcome to Draw Kids, where everybody can draw. Even, what's your name?
River.
Even River. How old are you, River? 3 years old. And what are we drawing today, buddy?
Poop emoji.
Poop emoji. I want to draw
Gross.
poop emoji because he's my little
Gross.
Gross. You're my little pooper head. So let's get our art supplies and let's draw. Wait. Hi, everybody. We're going to draw our poop emoji. So anybody can do this, even our buddy River. So we're going to start on this side of the paper and we're going to do an oval. Can you do an oval like that? Can you do an oval like this?
Turn it back.
Let's turn it over. Do an oval like that. Remember it says eyeball?
Yeah.
Like that one. And can you do another oval like this?
Hey, sit down.
Hey, stand down. Perfect. Now inside the oval we have to do is eyeball like this. And on the other one you do another eyeball like this. Perfect. Underneath.
That one looks like a ghost.
That one does look like a ghost. Underneath we do a smile like this. Like a little smiley face. And then we close it off like this. A little smile. Now remember, we draw all the way around it, we have to draw a little line. Remember, River? Like this. Where we go underneath, like that. And then like this. And then on your way up, you guys, let's do a hump. Going a little bit smaller, we do a second hump. And then on the top, we do a third hump. On this side, we do the same thing. One hump, a smaller hump, and then this one is going to be a swoosh, like this. You did it! Oh my goodness! So here's
He did daddy one.
where's his mouth?
Oh.
You forgot his mouth. There you go. So there's our poop emojis, and we're going to color them in now. You ready to color?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Daddy has glasses.
And he does have brown glasses.
No, has white glasses. Ooh, 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 ooh. You want to find how to dog and bingo was the name of Oh, dogs poop and miso poop.
Miso poops?
Like that poop. I'm done.
You're done? You're
Yeah.
fast.
You can see?
Wow!
I'm putting it back.
He's not done yet.
Actually, not done. I need one more marker. Scaredy cat, so he's so scared. Everywhere he goes. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Nonsense.
Poopos. That where the poopos go. Totally where it goes. That is totally where it goes. Dad,
Yeah, buddy.
look it. He getting all colored.
Okay, so there's our poop emoji. This is Daddy's and this one is River's. It came out very good. So just have fun and let's spend time drawing. Good job, buddy. Did you have fun?
Draw it
Did you have fun?
and draw it.
And draw it? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Can we high five? Good job, buddy. Did you have fun drawing poop emoji? Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye!